Here, so I'm going to show you how to edit your sign in Adobe Reader. Open your Adobe Reader and open a PDF file first of all, and then go to All Tools section. Here, click on View More, and in this tool list, you have to click on Fill and Sign. And here you will find all of your available signs. Now we can't edit any sign here, so we have to delete the specific sign first of all. So click on this delete icon. Once the sign successfully removed, now we have to add our new sign. So click on Add Initials, and here you can select Type to type your new sign. You can click on Change Style, and here you can select a different style for your signature, and you can select Draw, and you can just draw a sign just like this, and you can select Image. Then from your computer, just browse your sign. So after changing your sign, click on Apply, and this is the only way to edit or change our sign in Adobe Reader. So here you can see my sign successfully changed.